Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you.
This DeWalt 14-inch chop saw needs a table, a stand, a place to call home. Where am I going to put it? Well, watch this. Before I got started, I made a sketch. And here it is. I've got a little bill of material here so that I knew how many boards I needed and what lengths to cut them to. I've got the lumber all cut up and painted. And now I'm ready to start putting it together. There, the wheels are on. There's 4 of them. They each have a 200-pound capacity. So that means 800 pounds capacity for this table. The bottom is done. Now I'm going to put the top on. Well, there's the last screw. So, go ahead and put the saw on. See how it works. Wow, that's good. A little stable on there. Yeah. I would say that was a success. And those wheels, they're like rollerblade wheels, so they have nice smooth movement. That should work pretty good. Now I just need to screw it down. But first I wanted to check something. I planned on, or I hoped that this would fit in here. Yeah, there we go. The shop vac fits. So, that's a nice little feature. I can haul around the shop vac. I want to. There we go. Plus, I have a nice place to put it, where the shop vac was. Well, I do need to move the battery charger. Shop vac sat on top of that. This is going to sit on top of the shop vac. Nice. Charger will have to sit there. So there we have it. A place to store the chop saw and the vacuum. Awesome. Put on the wheel locks. There we have it. And thank you for coming to Pappy's Corner today. Remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.